In this video, we will show you the buttons on DJI RS4 Pro, along with some shortcuts for frequently used modes. Power button. Press and hold to power on/off the gimbal. Press once to enter or exit sleep mode. The 3 axes will automatically lock. Press again to wake up the gimbal. The 3 axes are automatically unlocked by default when the gimbal is powered on, and they will automatically fold and lock when the gimbal is powered off. Gimbal mode switch. Toggle to switch gimbal mode from PF, PTF, and FPV. PF indicates pan follow, where only the pan axis follows the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios such as shooting emerging walkthrough and arc shots, or moving from left to right. PTF indicates pan and tilt follow, where both the pan and tilt axes follow the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios when moving on the slant. FPV indicates pan, tilt, and roll follow, where all 3 axes follow the movement of the grip. It is suitable for scenarios when rotating the camera. In FPV mode, you can select from 3D Roll 360 and Custom mode. In 3D Roll 360 mode, the tilt axis is rotated 90 degrees upwards and the camera lens is vertically upwards, at which point you can use the joystick to control the 360-degree rotation of the pan axis. It is suitable for rotating shots. In Custom mode, you can enable or disable any axis follow as required. Camera control button. After connecting the camera, press halfway for autofocus. Press once to start or stop recording. Press and hold to take a photo. N button. Press once to take photos by default. The function of the button can be set on the touchscreen to C1 F1 button mapping, or LiDAR AF/MF. Press and hold to enter sport mode. Press and hold the M button while pressing the trigger twice to enter and remain in sport mode. Repeat to exit. In sport mode, the follow speed of the gimbal increases greatly. It is suitable for shooting in scenarios where subjects move suddenly and at fast speeds. Joystick mode switch. Press down to set the joystick mode to gimbal movement control. Push up to set the joystick mode to zoom control. Joystick. When the joystick mode switch is set to gimbal movement control, move the joystick up and down to control the tilt of the gimbal, and move the joystick left and right to control the pan of the gimbal. When the joystick mode switch is set to zoom control, move the joystick up and down to control the zoom. Trigger. Press and hold to enter lock mode. In lock mode, the gimbal will not respond to the movement of the grip. After setting up on the touchscreen, press and hold the trigger to enter FPV mode. Tap twice to recenter the gimbal. Tap 3 times to turn the gimbal 180 degrees so that the camera faces you. Front dial. Turn to control the focus motor by default. The settings can be changed via the touchscreen. Users can choose to control the Bluetooth, cable-driven focus, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, roll axis, pan axis, and tilt axis. Battery level button. Press once to check battery level. USB-C ports. There are 3 USB-C ports on the tilt axis arm. RSS camera control port is for connecting the camera. Focus motor port is for connecting the focus motor. Video transmission LiDAR rangefinder port can be connected to the DJI Ronin image transmitter for communication, or to LiDAR to perform focus control, zoom control, and Active Track Pro. Ronin series accessories: RSA NATO ports. For connecting the DJI R focus wheel, DJI R twist grip dual handle, or the DJI RS briefcase handle.